Hello guys, how are you? And hope you are also fine there. I'm fine here. Now I'm going to say something topic. My topic name is tourism of Nepal. So tourism means like visit places and enjoy a lot. So now I'm describing tourism means making trips for leisure, entertainment, sightseeing, etc. And culture, art, historical, and religious places also attract tourists. Tourist means you can go one place to another place for visit, what kinds of culture, what kinds of environment, and what is the religious places also contract. And many basically what is the with snow covered summits, glaciers, rivers you can visit when you are tourist. Caves, lake, temples, natural vegetation and animals are paradise for the foreign tourist. Tourist tourism means two kinds of tourism. One is internal tourism, and another one is international tourism. So when Nepal from one part visit another part of his country, it is internal tourism. In under it one country, you go to one place to another place, and within one under it Nepal, that is tourism, internal tourism. If you go to one country to another country and you visit other places, that is international tourism. Tourism has utmost importance in Nepal. It is useful in several ways. Firstly, it is a main source of foreign currency. Our country earns money from the tourist by means of hotel, restaurant, travel agencies, taking agency, etc. We can a lot of benefit from different kinds of, if you internal tourism comes in Nepal, like as who has open restaurant, travel agency, trekking agents. And secondly, we adopt good things from the tourist, and our culture goes with them to other countries. My cultures understanding other countries peoples, and they speak. So in cultures of Nepal is good and acquainted with the social customs, manners, and our ways of living. So that's thirdly, tourism related industries develop. A standard hotels, restaurant, etc. are established for tourists. Fourthly, some of our in handcrafts fascinate them, and they too buy them. Seeing the demand such a beautiful things of are produced in large quantity, so it is the benefit for Nepal. My cultures, my customs, they will be understood other countries' peoples. In fifthly, tourism establishes good relation with other countries. Tourism in Nepal started in 2008 BC when Nepal became a member of international travel associations. In 2014 BS, 2030 BS, and 2056, 2048 BCD, and 29,295 tourists came to Nepal. In 1998, a festival named Visit Nepal year 1998 we was celebrated all over Nepal. In spite of numerous problems, Nepal is progressing in tourism. Tourism means you can visit one place to another place, and they have where cultures, what kinds of culture, what is the environment, and you get a lot of different kinds of knowledge if you if you visit some places and other places. That is good for tourism. Two kinds of tourism: internal, external. So that's all about tourism. I hope you are like this uh, topics, and you are also interested, you would like to visit Nepal and other